Meli matingo jopuonjre mag Mbalariany midendo ni MV World Odizi ne ogo e wat ma Mombasa kod jopuonjre 500 matano timo limbe kuonde mopogore pacho ka. Meli no mabende idendo ni Mbalariany ma lewo e wi pi kata floating university biro kawo thuolo mar ndalo 6 Mombasa gino ma jogo manie sekta mar limbe koni biro jiwo sekta no e yor ohala. Joja oko giler mathoth kowuok Mombasa.
Kinene gi chien to en mana meli matingo welo. Kata kamano, ma en Mbalariany ma lewo e wi pi kendo en kod classes kaachiel kod jopuonj 89 matiego jopuonjre 500. Kae ne ogoye wath ma Mombasa kuma jopuonjre chano timo limbe ka gisomo weche mopogore pacho ka motenore gi lony magitiegore.
The World Odyssey is a special cruise ship because she's the biggest floating university of the world, actually, and we have more than 20 nations of students from all over the world with us here on this very unique program. And the main idea is that we bring the students around the world to explore different countries.
And the way the program functions is we are at sea between 100 and 105 days, depending on which semester. The students are in classes 50% of those days. The cruise ship has been converted to a college campus, and there are classrooms on the ship, and that's where our students take programs, take classes. For the other 50% of the voyage, they are in country. And Semester at Sea is very proud to say that Kenya is our first port of call in the continent of Africa.
Mor margi ne onyedhore ayanga to chutho ne jopuonjre mane ochopo e pacho kae thuolo mokwongo. Kae ne gilero moko kuom kuonde magichano time limbe.
And I'm so excited for Kenya. I've only heard great things. I'm excited to meet the people, eat that food, see who has the best jollof rice. I'm going on a safari, and so I'm excited about that. I'm going to do some snorkeling, and I'm just excited to be here.
I'm very excited just to meet new people, see new things, just see what the culture and the people of Kenya are like in general.
Everyone seems amazing so far. We've been have the greatest welcome ever. I'm so excited.
4-day safari, which I'm very excited for. Never done a safari or anything like that in my life.
Jogo manie sekta mar limbe koni maeno kang maduong' ma sekta no osegoyo higani ka geno margi en ni biro mar welogo dhi goyo jekweche mag ohala.
We are excited as a tourism board to be receiving Miss Odyssey for the third time, and not just because she's here for the third time, but because that is a big statement in terms of just endorsing Mombasa as a favorite port of call. We are only in February and we are already experiencing a 50% growth. We are slightly over 6,000 now, including the last two that we have received in January and this month. So a big addition in terms of even injecting money into the economy.
We have done what it takes to welcome these cruise vessels, and we'll be happy for them to stay longer.
Gichano tiyo kanyakla gi Mbalariany mar Technical University of Mombasa kaachiel kod Kenyatta University bade ma Mombasa. George Aoko, Ramogi TV, Mombasa.